Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from NancyBadillo.com and welcome to another Etsy tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new Etsy special offer. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time visiting. I upload weekly videos about how to build a thriving Etsy business. So if you are currently an Etsy seller or maybe thinking of becoming an Etsy seller, this is the YouTube channel to be at. So make sure that you subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started. Um, so setting up a special offer on Etsy is a really great way to increase your Etsy sales by targeting people that show interest already in your products, and also by running a special that other people might see and might be interested or encouraged, right, to click and buy from your shop. So I highly recommend testing them out. They have three different methods that you could do. So let's go ahead and cover them. So all you have to do is whenever you want to run a special offer, you go to your shop manager, and from there, all you have to do is head over to marketing and then head over to sales and coupons. Now, once you are in this window, all you have to do is click on new special offer, and this window is going to set up for you. It's going to pop up for you. Now, you're going to have three options: run a sale, send offers to interested shoppers, and create a coupon. So I'm going to kind of go through all three so you have a better understanding of what each of them are. When you run a sale, it's basically it's gonna help you because sales can help you attract special customers on Etsy and get them to spend more than they would otherwise. And running a sale is really nice because what you could do is you could say, let's say you have a listing that normally costs $5.99. So when you run a sale, and let's say you say I'm gonna do 50% off, it will have a little dash that goes on top of the 5.99, and now that will go down to 250. So that's a nice thing about it, that it will automatically reduce based on the percentage or based on the amount that you want to reduce it. And that's also going to help you possibly get someone's attention when they see your item, they see it on sale, and they might be tempted to click to buy from you. Now, this is one that I run a little bit more often, which is to send offers to interested shoppers. And the reason why I like this one here is because the person already showed interest in your product. These are people that actually show that they liked your product and services. For some reason, they didn't buy at that moment, but they either liked your product, they either liked your shop, or they put something in their cart, right? They were gonna make the purchase, but they never completed it. So when you do this one, send offers to interested shoppers, basically is you're sending offers to people that already show an interest. And for my opinion, when I have run all three, I have gotten more sales from people that are already interested in my products. So it's a really nice feature that you could set up. Now, the last one is creating a coupon. So I would say from all three, these are my two favorite ones. Now, creating a coupon is basically giving someone a percentage or an amount off their next purchase with a special code. Now, creating a coupon is a great way to advertise it in social media. So you could, if you have a Instagram or if you have Facebook, you could tell people, hey, use this coupon for your next purchase and you get 20% off. Or you could actually send it to your newsletter subscribers. So if you have currently a blog or you started a newsletter for your Etsy shop, you could send a coupon periodically to your followers and you can say, hey guys, just, thank you for following me. Thank you for subscribing to my newsletter. I wanted to go ahead and give you this special promotion that on your next purchase at my store, you get, let's say 30% off. And another great way is to bring first time buyers. So whenever somebody buys at your shop, is their first time buying from you, It's really nice when you send them like a thank you coupon, and you could say, hey, thank you for being my first time, first time shopping at my store. Here's a coupon for 40% on your next purchase. Now, I have seen a significant increase in sales just from doing that, because these people feel so humbled by that, right? They feel so great about that you actually given, one, you're saying thank you for their business, two, you're appreciating that they actually bought from you, and three, you're honoring them with giving them a discount for their next purchase. That actually, really, really makes a big difference in your shop. So I highly recommend trying that type of promotion when you are targeting first time buyers from your shop. But these are three different ways that you could set up an Etsy special offer that is going to help you increase your Etsy sales. They're very, very easy to do. All you have to do is select the one that you want to do, and you could actually cancel or terminate that promotion whenever you like. And also keep an eye out on the dashboard. Or if you already subscribed to Etsy newsletter, keep an eye out. They run promotions. I know for the month of December they ran promotions that you could send offers to interested shoppers for free. So when they run those promotions for that particular month, I highly recommend taking advantage of it, because you will not be paying anything and it's free. So make sure that you always um, look at your newsletters from Etsy or look at your dashboard for any new notifications that they might have about special promotions that they're currently running at that moment for you as an Etsy seller. I hope that this tutorial was helpful and that you learned something new today. Make sure that you leave me a comment below if you found this video helpful. I am trying to create a sense of community where we all come together, we all talk about these videos, we all share our opinions, we all talk about new videos that possibly you guys might want me to make for you. So make sure that you not only leave a comment but like and share this video with other Xians or Xi followers that you might know. So thank you guys for watching, and until the next video, see you then.